old Subaru was sideswiped. The lady ran a yield sign and bumped right into the door in the front quarter panel and hit a little bit of the back. I'm just gonna replace the door. I bought this door off of eBay, but it looks like it was in a fire. You can see some of the black soot, but I think I just sprayed Windex on this and I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's gonna scrape off. And you can, that soot should come right off. And that way I can just put this door on and not have a whole lot of body work to do, or also painting on the inside. So that'll be nice too. But the rest of it, these little dings can be pulled out. And I need to find a front quarter panel too. So when I get that part gathered up. But now it's starting to rain, so there won't be any work on it today. Before I take it to the body shop, I'm going to put a door on it, and then I'm going to let them do the rest of the work. But I figured I could put this door on pretty easy. And I got an idea, I think, I just want to make sure it's put on right, and I think I can do that myself. So that's how it's going to be. Got a screw here, cover pops out. Phillips. I saw one more up here. Either pop out or they go straight up. I have a feeling. I don't know what it does. Okay, there we go. That came out too. That's the clip for the cover. Alright. Oh, shoot. Alright. Got a light down here. Plug. And we got a plug back here. Ow! Oh, that really hurt. It's pretty nice. Okay, now the door looks challenging. I think I'll transfer that over. Now, what will I do? I don't know. Go. 2 screws. This is a replacement door. I cut the wire here, so I'll have to, let me get down there. I cut the wire here, so I'm going to have to pull all this harness out and try to feed my harness through. So all this is going to have to come off. And got some nasty sticky tape on it. It's got this trim piece I'm going to have to peel off. Oh, you know what? I'm doing this all wrong. Be reaching back here and pulling, pushing these in. What that is. Okay. Wiring harness out. See if I can get this trim piece off without tearing the paint up.
Dad, there's a bunch of fake ladybugs in my room.
Really?
A bunch.
Silicone. Okay. Put silicone on there to keep the water out. Don't know if I think this is a 14, mine's a 13. I don't know if mine's got silicone or not. Alright, I thought that would open the door wider. I was wrong. Man, now it's not even a nice hold open. I might just leave that in for a second. The wind's wanting to blow it closed. Let me get down in here and get this off. Threaded. Kind of. I guess I could have threaded that off. Pop in and out. Okay. You can see through there. Or maybe you can't. I don't know. It's got a couple of... There they are. A little pink top and bottom, holding it. Oh, let me slide. Okay. Slide out like this. Ugh. Maybe it goes up. Yep, it goes up. Okay. Ugh. But it doesn't want to go up. Okay, there we go. That was painful. So we got this one that goes down and then, wow. I think that's our door plug right here. Okay, off comes the door. Nope, what did I just pull? I think I just pulled the whole connector. There we go. There we go. And I just pulled the whole connector out of the, I don't know. I think that was actually tight, but anyway, that's alright. Oh, here's another connector. That's a weird one. Wow, that was a weird. That was spring loaded. Huh. Now it should come through. Oh, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna work well. Gotta get this out. Oh. Plastic grommet. It's got a little tab right here you can kind of see. Probably got one on the other side fighting me. There we go. Okay. Which way do these go? Oh yeah, mine do have silicone on them. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a helper. Perfect. Alright, stay in there. Don't hold it too tight because you'll lift it up.
Oh.
How's that? Alright, here we go. This is going to take a while. Alright, we're down to one bolt left. I'll have to hold it up here, so if you just, make sure you got it back there, I think it'll be okay. There, okay, it should be free now. Hang on. Okay, there we go. I gotta feed this wiring through. Walk it back. Okay, perfect. Okay, you got it?
Uh-huh.
Set her down. Awesome. Alright, let's get this wiring harness off. Moved over to the other door. Looks like I got something else here I need to take off. Using my fingers to take these off instead of just ripping them off. That goes on. This all fed out through here, so this must. cup. Couldn't have hit that if I tried. Okay, let's lift her up. Not too heavy.
No.
Oops. I gotta fix my. Feed my wires through. Dang, I can't get that. Oh, bring it in towards bucket. There you go. Bucket, bucket. There you go. Right there. Okay. Pound that out. Keep it. Huh. Yeah. Door fits good. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna do a few more things. I'm gonna transfer this glass over. Or, I'm sorry, I'm gonna transfer this mirror over. Oh, there we go.